The Vortex Xtreme Car blazed down the track, its engine roaring like a thunderstorm. At the heart of this beast was a turbocharged V8, propelling it to an astonishing 200 miles per hour in mere seconds. During an unprecedented race, the driver faced fierce competition, battling not just rival cars, but also an intense storm that threatened to derail the entire event. As rain poured down, the Vortex maintained its grip on the wet asphalt, executing breathtaking drifts that left the audience in awe. In a dramatic finish, it crossed the line, setting a new world record and proving that the Vortex Xtreme Car is truly unstoppable.